on. Rods. We're in the, see this water? It's exactly the perfect color. When you can't see bottom, but you almost can see bottom. What's that? 6? You need me to drive for you, buddy? That's a nice fish. Like I say, we're on 8 pound. God, this is another good fish, man. And they're doing something strange this year. They're running the sides of the boat. I wonder if we're going slower than we usually go. Because they usually don't do that to us, you know? I don't know. Just yeah. Just do consistent pulls. Let me see. No, you're good. That, yeah, I see them. Yep. He's a big one, dude. Oh, there he comes. I wonder if we're caught in a line. I bet you were caught in a line, because remember how we saw that? Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. Draw him up. Hey Jay, do you see what lure you hit on? Yeah. It's the only one I got. If you ever see them, and that's the small size, if you ever see those in that size, grab me as many as you can. It's called it's a Bomber 14A. What the fuck's the name of the?
It's kind of like a iridescent.
It's called Mother of Pearl is the name of the lure. I got more of them, but I got the bigger size. Throw it back. You need it? Throw it back. Jay Rays, will you send me pictures when we're done? Because I'm not taking any. Yeah, we're about to pull a line and put another one of those sticks. I have the same lures, but in a bigger size. It's when it's this early in the year, they like the smaller lures. They're kind of more sluggish, you know.
What is that? 7 or 9?
This is a different company, so there's a 14A is what it's called. It's a 3.5 inch. Yeah, it's a Bomber. Yeah, go send that one right to the middle. Yeah, I had more of these, and slowly they've been dwindling. I'm down to 1.